Gotta clean the glass. That's what the frog came from. His old home. New home. He has no idea what to do with all this space. You can't see it, but right on the tip of this rock, about a dozen snails are hanging out, and they laid some eggs there. It's a little, yeah, I can't get it on camera, but you can see it. It's about half an inch long. It's a little egg sac, and I had the lights off all day. And that whole patch of rock was all covered in this algae right here, and the snails just went to town. Again, all these plants found in my backyard. All the rocks found in my backyard. As time goes on, I might put some more exotic stuff in here, but looks pretty good at the moment. A little bit of ivy. That's new. Oh, there's a frog. Okay, the story behind this guy is my cousin's stepson is 10 years old. Yeah, these guys are hanging out. So about a month ago, they bought a new house, and they didn't really have any room for this guy because, like I said, he lived in here for the last year. Probably 4 inches by 4 inches by like 4 inches. So he pretty much has no idea what to do. I mean, his whole new world just... I apologize for the glass. Like I said, I try to scrape this, but I have a Placo in here somewhere. He's shy during the day, but he's about 6 inches long. He usually takes care of this, but his frog seems to be happy. Like I say, he's got freedom. He's got no idea what to do with it. This moss is just going bonkers. I gotta trim this back. This is a... Ugh. God. Alright, guys. Paludarium.